Lawmakers are trying to address rising property tax rates with a new bill.
But some are worried its methods are unconstitutional. WGEM Missouri Capitol Bureau reporter Hannah Falcon shows you what the state law has to say about tax rules.
A newly passed bill would freeze or slow tax rates, but it varies county to county. The counties in purple on this map could have their property taxes frozen at the current rate. The ones in red would be limited to only a 5% maximum increase every 2 years, while the ones in gray would not be affected. The Missouri Constitution says the General Assembly shall not pass any local or special law. A constitutional lawyer tells me that this bill would absolutely violate that part of the Missouri Constitution, but someone would have to file a lawsuit to get the courts to consider it. So how do lawmakers interpret this? I asked.
Do you think this current property tax proposal would hold up in court?
I do think it's constitutional.
And the Constitution requires that framework of taxing, that local taxing, be the same. I'm banking on the fact that it will not hold up in court.
But lawmakers agree there is a problem. This year, more than 90 counties were told by the Missouri State Tax Commission to raise property tax rates. In some counties, that means tax assessments are 10 to 15% higher than last year.
And I would call on the governor during our September veto session to concurrently have a session that for legislation that would address the property tax problem.
That is an excellent first step before we go and do something drastic.
In the meantime, Speaker of the House John Patterson plans to put together a committee to come up with some ideas for property tax legislation. Reporting in Jefferson City, I'm Hannah Falcon.